7-acre wood, man. Holy.
Dad, look at that big pool.
Ready to feed the animals, man? I see you. That's pretty cool, huh, man? Oh, look at the horns on that thing, man. Is that funny, honey?
Why don't you try? Buddy, they're goats. They're not mean.
Look at him, he's got his...
Here. Hang on to it. Let me see now.
Man, that thing's ready to...
I wonder if you can feed the ponies. Let me get the llama. Here, man. You're fine right here. They're not. Nothing's gonna get you. Look at this thing. I'll put some down here for the babies.
Oh yeah, we'll go over there after we go in.
I can ride it.
Oh, there's 2 turtles, man.
Here, put your shoes on.
Nice, man. Huh? Yeah.
Oh, it's like a...
Look at this baby goat, man. Oh, there's a bunch of them in there. They're in the tire. Nice, man. Oh, damn, don't kick him.
Yeah, that's a huge.
That's pretty cool, huh, man? Go over and pet him, man. Yeah, I know.
Oh my god.
There's inside of that tire. There's 3 baby billy goats inside of that tire.
Stand by it, Cam.
Can I pick him up?
No, I don't
No,
think
I don't
so.
think so, man.
Just give him a pet.
Inside of the tire.
This one right here is the mom, the baby. He is a little bit protective, but it's really good because he's a young mom.
Look at how little, man.
Because this baby, this mom.
Dad, look, he's trying to get under the gate.
Look how little this baby is, man.
Here's a baby billy goat.
Next to it, honey.
It's alright. Aw, he's getting cozy.
Cozied up. Whoop. Oh yeah, check that out, man.
Dude, can I touch his legs?
Yeah, if you want.
Dad, his leg went in quick, so I
He's
want
pretty
to
cool, huh?
take it off. Hey, look at the turtle! He's going.
That's cool, man.
Dad, do you think I could pet him while he's moving?
Probably. Look at that, man. Look at that little baby. Aww.
Dad, he wants to go on his mama. Look at him, he's
Here, get him down and pet it again.
I can't
It's all her now that she's actually doing it. Oh, there's a chicken.
I remember it was like just, it wasn't a party. I think it was something for like our group.
That's Gang's got. Go ahead, man.
I think I saw it.
Oh.
Other little guy was just
You see him?
What's this?
That's his horn. I know.
Cam Man. You're not gonna? Manny, sit up there with Cam Man.
Just up there.
Woo, Manny!
We gotta go.
Whoa, you almost.
And these things cost like $75. So I just got like these out here. You guys want to go check out that tire pile back there in that boat? Oh, you're supposed to ride it down the hill?
I think you're supposed to ride down that.
Oh, you do? You are?
Go ahead, man.
You're supposed to ride down that.
It's a little dangerous.
Do it, man.
You have to start it, and then you have to ride.
There you go, man. Ride it. Go ahead, man. Just hang on to the handles.
I'm doing this one.
All right.
You want me to hang on to it for you?
Woo! There you go, man. Manny, I can't believe you're not in jammies, honey.
Gotta get on the lawnmower and tow us around
Dude, nice, man. Manny! Go, honey. Nice, man. Annie, moo! Moo! Moo moo! Mommy having fun? Yeah. You look like it. Can never get it when she's smiling.
Pretty cute for a day off. It's just kind of a bummer that they won't be able to.
Yours is squeaking, honey.
Sounds like you need some WD-40.
Helen, just wait. They're gonna go, and then she's gonna go.
There you go, man.
Landon wants to go. Oh, you wanna try it, man? We're gonna have him face you. Here.
Nice, man. Look, dude.
Thank you. I'll put them in my purse so we don't lose them.
Get on the train.
Whoa. That's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool, man. You ready to get off? You're gonna go again? All right, man. Whoa! Look, man. Come, man. See if I can choose his face and then. There we go. That's better. No, you piece of crap. Hang on. Holy cow, man.
Right here. See? Right here. See? Stack, see?
Whoa, Manny.
Maybe
Why don't you take Passy out?
Not up there, man.
Can you take Passy out?
these over wooden. We have to go here. Not here. There's
Pretty cool, huh?
Here, dude. Cam,
Daddy, Cam.
spin it again, man.
spin me like this.
Woo!